Hello everyone, my name is Skyler Wilsoncroft, and today I'm going to be doing a what's in my camera bag video to show you guys the equipment that I use to make my YouTube videos. So my main camera that I use is a Canon 6D Mark II. I upgraded from the Canon T5i, so I still have both cameras, but I use the 6D Mark II. The reason I use this camera and I like it so much is because it has a full frame sensor and it does 1080p at 60 frames per second. As far as my lenses go, I have 5 different lenses. 3 of them are full frame lenses and 2 of them are crop sensor lenses. The lens that I use the most is the 24 to 70 millimeter f2.8. It's one of Canon's best lenses. The next lens that I use is a Canon 17 to 40 millimeter f4. I use this lens for more wider stuff for like vlogging. The 24 to 70 millimeter is just a little bit too close to my face. So if I use the 17 to 40, it's wide enough that it fits my face whenever I'm vlogging, kind of holding out the camera. I like them both. They're very reliable lenses. Picture quality looks great on them. The third full frame sensor lens that I have is a 75 to 300 millimeter. It's the cheapest lens that I have of the full frame lenses. The f-stop is a little bit higher and more closed than the other lenses. It still works pretty well. And then my other 2 lenses are crop sensor lenses. I have a 18 to 55 kit lens. It has variable f-stop depending on your focal length. And then I have a 24 millimeter pancake lens at f2.8. And both of those are pretty good lenses as well. So as far as my B cameras go, I have 2 GoPros. I have a Hero 5 black and I have a Hero 8 black. Both of them do 4K. The only difference between the 2 for me is that the Hero 8 does higher frame rates at both 4K and 1080p, and it has in-camera stabilization, so that's very helpful. All the drone footage that you see in my videos, I use a DJI Spark. It's an awesome drone. The colors on it are beautiful. My only complaints with it are like lack of settings. It's the entry-level drone for DJI, and I do use the remote controller for it. It makes a world of a difference, and it gives it more range so that I can fly at further distances. So my microphones for my cameras, I have a Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. It's the best Rode mic that you can get. I love it. It's an awesome microphone. It has lots of settings. For my second camera, I use a Rode VideoMic Go. It's another awesome mic. It's just plug and play, so basically you just plug it in, no batteries required, no settings on it, and it's just overall an awesome microphone to use. So then as far as editing, I use a 2017 13-inch MacBook Pro. I love it. I use it for everything. My editing software, I use Final Cut Pro. So if you guys want another video on how I edit, just leave some comments and let me know. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I use to make these videos that I put out for you guys. I'm grateful to have everything that I do have, and I'm happy to continue on creating. So yeah, if you guys have any ideas, or if you want to talk about what equipment I have or what equipment you have, just leave some comments and I'll respond to all of them. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a like. Like I said, leave some comments, I'll respond to all of them. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.